Welcome to Rayleigh. We're just outside of the village of Holcombe Rogus on the Somerset-Devon border, and it's a beautiful location. And I've got 4 reasons why you should buy this. 1, 17.6 acres of land. You don't have to have all of it, but it's there if you do want it. 2, we've got 4 barns with Class Q planning consent. So there's actually 4 dwellings here ready to be developed or sold off. 3, we've got an existing agricultural tied property within a log cabin. It's a lovely little home at the moment. If you qualify for that, great. If not, you've got the Class Qs. And then 4, the views. You are surrounded by wildlife here. It's lovely. Some of the ground has been set aside over the last few years, which has really encouraged wildlife and nature, which is lovely. But talking about things that are enjoyable, the pub is walking distance from the property. So it doesn't get much better than that. There are so many options here to consider, whether you take it all on, sell off bits of it, really up to you. But this is a rare opportunity and one you don't want to miss.